Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in again and welcome to my channel. My name's Lena and today I wanted to show you another newness from Dior. I have to say Dior has been working really hard lately because their fall collection was a standout and all those beautiful limited edition makeups with stunning designs and embossing. And now it's the Backstage eyeshadow palettes. Last week they dropped two new Backstage eyeshadow palettes. These are limited editions. One is bronze neutrals and the other one is plum neutrals. And I picked up bronze neutrals, which is quite unusual because I usually gravitate towards cooler eyeshadow palettes. But when I looked at the plum neutrals eyeshadow palette, it looked very beautiful, but red and pink hues looked very dominant in that palette, and I don't necessarily do very well with those shades. So I picked up bronze neutrals, and I think this is a beautiful palette for fall and holidays, and I am very happy with my choice. So today I'm going to show you up close photos of this beautiful palette, swatches, and simple look demo how I created this look. So I hope you guys stick around. So first thing is first, let me show you some up close photos on this beautiful eyeshadow palettes and some good clear swatches. I hope you find them helpful. Now I'd like to show you a simple makeup demo demonstrating how I created this look, so please keep on watching. I am starting with applying the eyeshadow primer all over my lids using my fingertip. To be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of having a cream product placed together with powders. I'd prefer to just have another eyeshadow color if possible. As an eyeshadow base, it's not bad and does its job providing a clean base for the colors. Next, I'm going to apply the bronze shade using a slender crease brush. I'm adding this color lightly around my crease, avoiding the lid space. Now I'm applying the warm copper shade on the inner half of my lids using a flat eyeshadow brush. Using the same brush, I am applying the dark burgundy shade on the outer half of my lids. Now, using a small detailed brush, I'm going to apply the dark red shade along my lower lash lines. This time, I'm applying the deepest color in the palette, smoky black, on the outer V's using a pencil brush. Using a fluffy blending brush, I am blending the harsh edges while adding the beige color. Now I'm adding the metallic gold color in the middle of my lids and also on the inner corners of my eyes. On my lower lash lines, I'm using Prestige Waterproof Eyeliner Smoke and Chanel Waterproof Eyeliner Noir Intense shade on the upper lash lines. I always add some eyeshadow to blend and set the lower lash lines. This way it looks more natural and the eyeliner doesn't smudge. Now curling my lashes and applying some mascara, I'm using Shiseido Curler and Essence Lash Princess Waterproof Mascara here. I don't do this very often, but today I decided to tight line as well. I use a small gel liner brush and Sephora Waterproof Eyeliner eyeshadow stick, and this lasts very well on my upper waterlines. Adding eyeliners and mascara always changes the whole look, so here I'm adding some more eyeshadows where it's needed. Now I'm applying my favorite finishing powder, Guerlain Meteorite Compact. This refines the complexion and gets rid of any eyeshadow fallouts. For the blush, I'm using Dior Couture Luminizer Rosewood shade. I actually bought this one to use as a subtle shimmery blush color, and it is so pretty. I'll review this in a dedicated video soon. On my lips, I'm applying a shimmery lip gloss with lots of shine. This is Kiko 3D Hydra Lip Gloss in Pearly Warm Mauve shade. Overall, I think it's a lovely palette that is functional and easy to use and perfect for the season actually. I don't like large, palettes of anything, so having these 8 cohesive eyeshadows packed in this tiny compact is quite lovely. And I also like having different finishes and textures in one palette. For example, these shimmers are really quite subtle and sophisticated, but this accent shade, almost like molten metal kind of gold shade that is buttery to touch, it's really quite intense and beautiful. The burgundy hue is lovely, and these 2 dark mattes are great quality, dark enough to be used as an eyeliner. I think it's a really great palette if you're into this type of colors. So I would highly recommend it. And if I'm traveling, I don't know when that would be, but if I'm traveling, I'll be packing this one and my Cool Neutrals palette, and I'll be set. So that's it for today. Thanks again for tuning in again and watching this video and staying with me. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you think about this palette. If you're planning to pick up any of the limited Backstage eyeshadow palettes, I would love to know. If you enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!